Hey guys, welcome to Agari and me with me being Agari and you guys being the meat part, because you guys are here joining me on this little journey called life. And today for life, I'm actually just going to go ahead and give you guys a little bit of a haul. So I actually went to Ikea, and it's kind of like an Ikea baby haul because I am actually, let me show you guys, and don't mind the mess because honestly today hasn't been a cleaning day. So I am 36 weeks pregnant. By the end of this week I will be 37, but the weekend of the 7th, 8th, whatever the heck those numbers are, those are 37 weeks for me. So you can see this in the future. Hi. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys just a couple things that I got at Ikea. So you guys are gonna see dirtiness and messiness, but honestly I either do this or I don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So one of the first things that I got is actually this like Ikea pot thing, which ants are going on. They're trying to get in my little bamboo plant's water. I haven't set it up yet. I just left it right here. I have a bunch of baby stuff everywhere. This is supposed to be like the baby area, but it hasn't been fixed yet. And then here we have one of these. So I'm gonna move over to the fun stuff. I did look around like in a lot of different places to find a crib, or where I'm gonna buy the crib, or what's gonna happen with the crib. And Ikea was literally the cheapest, most common sense, like it was literally the most logical thing to do, is just get a crib from Ikea. And the reason why I'm saying this is because it's cheap, they're simple, and multi-purpose. Like come on, everywhere else they try to fool me with the converting to a full-size bed, but you're gonna have to buy every attachment and screw that comes with it. So I decided to go ahead and pick a bed from Ikea, which for my luck was not available because it seems to be sold out in every single Ikea store, and that's because it is the cheapest one at $79. And I'll put which one it is because honestly I can't say that. And so I decided to go with the second best option, which is just the same exact bed, only painted white for $20 more. I ended up going straight to Ikea because they no longer do like deliveries for a lot of items because of the whole situations going on with this whole quarantine, pandemic, whatever. Whew. Slow down, can't breathe. But so pretty much we had to go straight to the store, and there's no pickup because apparently there's no pickup. And so we went ahead and walked around. I ended up going with my husband and his family, so his mama, his sisters, because we live with them, and his mom. She actually offered to buy the crib because for our baby shower she wanted to get us a gift, and everything that she wanted to buy us someone ended up already giving us. So she ended up saying, I'll buy you the crib, and so that's what she did. We ended up going, and literally we walked around. Guys, look, there's so many things all over. Yeah, everything was in the wrong place. Some cribs were under the wrong labels with the wrong pricing, so I had to go on my Ikea website and check out the prices. So the one that we ended up getting is called Smagola or something like that. I will be showing you guys in just a second, but let's show you guys the little things that I have here and available to show you guys now. So that's actually, let's go ahead with the little cute stuff. So I ended up getting this. It's called, I don't know, a blanket cover. If you guys do not know, for Ikea you buy covers that go over comforters, and you buy the pillowcase. So this comes with a little pillowcase, they're little turtles, a pillowcase, and the cover. And for the comforter, it is this one. So it is called Len. Len costed me $15. Raw Randy, I don't know. This one costed me, I think it was $5. And then we have the little covers for the mattress, and this is $10 for a pack of 2. So these are polka dots and moons, so they're super cute. My whole room is a white gray vibe, and white gray black vibe. It's like little things of color, as you guys can see on the wall, but other than that everything else is white and gray and black. So everything matches with this other than this, like, but come on, it's baby, gotta be a little bit more, you know, out there sometimes. But we also do have Lenest, which was I think $10, and that's a mattress protector and that's waterproof. So my husband just didn't understand why we needed so many things to cover the mattress. But if you guys don't have a child, and if you guys do have a child, either way, you guys know children are dirty and they will dirty everything, and children pee and poop. So you need a mattress protector, you need a cover too that you can be able to change, and we have a pillow that's gonna fit right into the pillow cover from Ikea. So other than that, we do have the crib, which let me go ahead and show you guys. If you guys come into our room, this is what you will see. A mess. Yep. And here we have, but let me just point out, guys, our Ikea bed with our Ikea shelves. This is actually clothing. Instead of drawers, we have this. And that's our couch, not from Ikea, that was super expensive for no entire reason. But here is actually where we're going to be putting the little baby child, and right here is where we're going to put our little Ikea bed. So I need to end up, or my husband needs to end up putting that away, or putting the crib and car seat in the car ready to go to the hospital, and we're going to put the crib right there. I actually did happen to get a whole like little Amazon thing frame going on right there, what to place right there. And with the crib, we also did end up getting the mattress, and the mattress is called like Pepper Out or something like that, $45 for that. But our mattress was actually really cheap. It was about like $110. So yeah, Ikea is the go-to. And like I said, it's kind of like very convenient because you go ahead and adjust it to the age. So again, I'll show you guys pictures, but that's gonna be the crib, and that's the crib for when the baby is a baby, and then the crib when the baby is starting to stand up and be a little baddie, and then we have the crib when the baby is going to be a kid. So that's what I really liked about the Ikea cribs. And if you guys are sleeping on them and you guys are going off to bye baby, well, to each your own. But I am very frugal. I do not want to be spending money on things that I'm going to be putting away, and I need to go buy another thing. So that's why I didn't buy a bassinet, and I didn't buy like those rocker cribs or anything. I just went straight to the big boy stuff because I don't want to play these games of setting up and taking down, putting away, trying to sell or trying to keep, because I don't even know when I will have my next child. Now we're just gonna go ahead and set up the crib and mattress with all of these things on it, and then after that, well, I mean, now just it's a waiting game really. So guys, I'm gonna be 37 weeks like I said, and I'm trying to give birth at 38, and if it does not happen, well, let's just make the time go by fast. So this way I'm trying to put out all this content. I'm going to be updating you guys on how we transform this room in the next video. So again, this is Agari and me, with me being Agari and you guys being the me part, because you guys are joining me on this journey called life. And today for life, I hope you guys enjoyed this little Ikea haul or baby haul, because these are pretty much the last minute details that I'm going to be implementing into the room. But again, go ahead and wait for that next video where I will be showing you guys how the whole baby shower mess went into a living area for our little baby. So thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and subscribe or comment down below if you guys agree with my Ikea comments or whatever the heck. But yeah, also go ahead and drop a like down below. But thank you guys for watching.